Hello everyone, in this video we're going to draw a cartoon giraffe. Start by drawing a small curved line for the eye. This curved line should be similar to an upside down letter C. Sketch lightly at first so that it's easy to erase if you make a mistake. When you get the shape right, darken the line and make it thicker for the eyelashes. Inside the eye, draw a small circle for the iris. And then inside the iris, draw an even smaller circle and shade it in for the pupil. On the top and bottom of the pupil, draw two tiny circles for highlights. Above the eye, draw a short curved line for the brow. Now to the left of the eye, make a small mark for the first part of the head. Then extend the mark up and to the right to create the rest of the head. Pay attention to how high the top of the head is above the eye. At the bottom of the line, draw a curved line for the muzzle and the mouth. This line should also be shaped like the letter C. On the tip of the mouth, draw a short curved line for a smile line. On the top part of the muzzle, draw a short curved line with a tiny circle underneath for the nostril. Under the mouth, draw a curved horizontal line for the bottom part of the head. At the top of the head, draw the first horn. The horn is made up of two short vertical lines with a circular shape on top. Draw the horn on the left side the same way, but make it a little bit smaller. To the right of the first horn, draw the ear. The ear is similar in shape to an upside down letter V. Inside the shape, draw a couple of angled lines to give the ear more structure. To the left of the horns, draw a smaller angled line for the other ear. Under the head, draw a vertical line for the long neck. And then under the neck, draw a line that curves to the right for the chest. To the right of the chest, draw the first front leg. The leg is made up of two vertical lines for the sides and a short horizontal line at the bottom. At the bottom, draw a couple more lines for the hoof. To the left, draw the visible portion of the other front leg the same way. On the top right side of the first leg, draw a curved horizontal line for the underside of the body. And now to the right, draw the first hind leg. The top of the hind leg is curved, and the bottom is made up of two vertical lines like the front leg. Then at the hoof at the bottom. Now from the hind leg, draw a line that curves up and to the left for the top part of the body. Then draw a long vertical line from the body to the ear for the other side of the neck. To the right of the neck, draw a wavy vertical line for the mane. To the left of the hind leg, draw the other hind leg the same way. The top part of this hind leg will be hidden behind the body, so only draw the bottom half. To the right of the body, draw a curved line for the tail. At the end of the line, draw the brush-like tip of the tail. Now go over the lines with a pen, a marker, or any other type of permanent ink. Take your time and be careful when you ink to avoid any accidents. The next few steps are sped up so that the video won't be too long. When the ink dries, erase all of the pencil marks. And now color your drawing. Use orange to draw the coat pattern. The coat pattern is made up of spots that are angular. Use small spots on the head and the legs and bigger spots on the body. Now color the rest of the body yellow. Use light brown for the muzzle and the inside of the ears. Color the iris dark brown and light brown. Use dark brown for the hooves and tail. And that's it for the giraffe. Don't forget to pause the video to draw at your own pace. Also, please visit howtodrawanimals.com where every step of this tutorial is broken down into an individual image. That's how, then the number 2, then drawanimals.com. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and a comment. Also subscribe for more videos in the future. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep drawing.